evening students and welcome in the online classes. Today we are going to study about pollination. So students, pollination is a process which involves transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the same plant. It means it involves only one flower. So the first thing which you have to know is the anther and then the stigma. So in the previous video you have seen that this part is called as the anther, means the male part. Anther, the male part. So the transfer of the pollen grain, pollen are here present, okay? So the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma. So here transfer is taking place, transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. This part is called stigma and I have told you it is quite sticky. So when the pollen grains travel, it goes and sit here and then it goes inside and then fusion take place. So pollination is a process which involves the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma. So there are three types in which I am trying to explain it. So first you saw the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the same plant. Means one plant, one flower is required. Second is transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of another flower. Suppose this is a plant and it has two flowers. It has two flowers, okay? So transfer of anther or transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower. Okay? Transfer of pollen grain from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant, means they are of the one plant, they are of the one plant. So this is the second type of pollination, and this is the third type of pollination. So students, you can see transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a flower of another plant of the same type. Same type when we say means here transfer occurs in another plant but it is of same type. Means suppose this is a hibiscus flower, so this flower also will be the same hibiscus. It will not be changed. Means it will not, if this is hibiscus, this will not be any other flower like chrysanthemum, this kind of flower. No, this will be of the same type. So transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of another plant of the same type. So this is another plant, this is one plant, this is another plant, but these are of same type. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of another plant of the same type. So these are the three types of pollination. We studied what we have studied that pollen grain will be transferred from anther and to the stigma of the same flower. Then we have studied about the same plant to flower, transfer from anther to the stigma of same plant but different flower. And in the third part we have studied that two different plant but same type of a flower. So it was about pollination.